Hello everyone. In my previous video, I have explained how to set up the charts, how to add my indicator. If you want to know more about how to add the indicator, you can see the video in the description. And if you want to know more about how about this indicator, you can reach out to me. So here in this video, I'm going to explain you how to screen the stocks. This is most asked question to me, how I screen the stocks myself. I'm just going to explain how do I do it. So here in Tradingview, you have stocks screener. So you just select that and go and select a new screen. So just an example, I'm just going to select demo one. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. Market is India. So market cap is above 2 billion. If you want to extend this window, you can extend it. So you can make this window bigger or smaller. Uh, so I feel comfortable having it bigger and add further stock filters. So here, as a next step, I will be adding stock PE. So for me, I don't want stocks that are priced highly. So I'm going to use the max price as 100. So anything that is above 100 will be filtered out. I'll just see that is less than 100. Can see there are stocks that are repeating down here. So Reliance is repeating two times, TCS is repeating two times, HDFC is repeating two times. So what I'm planning to do is I'm just going to filter it out. So there are it is repeating just because they are showing NSC and BSC both. So I'm just going to filter it out by using primary listing. So if I select yes, I can see the stocks number of stocks might have come down, and it will just show either NSE or PSE. The next filter that I'm going to use is RSI. What I have observed in RSI is once the RSI touches 90, it tends to correct. So I don't want the stocks that I buy and then correct immediately. So I want to filter it out. So what I do is I'll just go by adding the filter here. So RSI. So it is weekly chart. So I will go by weekly, add it, and then manual setup, that is below 90. So any stocks that has a weekly RSI above 90 will be filtered out. So this is how you have to use the RSI. Then I'm going to I like the stocks that are at new all-time high. So you have to add new high and select all-time. So you can see the number of stocks has drastically come down. One more thing that I wanted to do is I wanted to have MACD, that is the line, which is the blue line, is above the signal line, which is orange line. So in this case, that's just an example. Zomato, currently the line has crossed down. What it means is it is correcting. So I don't want these kind of stocks. I want the stocks that are already corrected. Say for example, in the month of June, the MACD line has gone down and has come up. So once it comes up, there is a partial buy signal. So there I will buy. So that is how I normally buy the stocks. So I will go back to the filter again. I will add MACD. Again, go to weekly, add the filter. Here there are two options you can use. Either uh, you can select level cross up signal. What it means is some stocks that are uh, just crossing above the signal. So for example, these are the stocks that have just crossed above the signal. So you can either choose these stocks or again go back and select and do a manual and then go above. So here weekly level above MACD signal on a weekly basis. So that way it will just show the stocks that are above. So for example, Fortis, this orange line is the signal line and the blue line is the MACD line. It is above. So you find the stocks that are the signal MACD line is above the signal line. The next fundamental stock filter I have is ROIC. It gives an overview about how the management is investing. So I select here ROIC as annual, add it, and I want return on invested capital is about 10 percentage. Gives a little bit of fundamentally good stocks as well along with the technicals. So this is how I normally filter out uh, and find the right stocks. Just as an example, I'll just go by selecting Crisil. So I see there are a couple of buy signals. I can either choose this as a buy. So for example, again, Kirloskar. So there is a buy signal. So this also is one of the option for this week. So again, choice international. So here, if you see there are multiple buy signals, there is no buy here. So I will not buy the stock currently. I will skip this for this week. KP Energy. So here, if you see there are multiple previous weeks buys has come. So I don't want to choose this stock right now. Maybe once I see a proper buy signal, then I will buy. So that way you can say, for example, here there are a couple of buy signals here. So this is one good stock which you can buy. So there are a couple of last 2 weeks it is showing buy signal. So this is how you have to filter out and find out the right stocks that to invest. So if you have any questions related to investing, you can reach out to me. If you want have any questions related to how to use my indicator and how to screen the stocks, you can reply to this video. Thank you.